Careful of the whole of them.
Etty, Sister Petra.
True man, I step up, not no
I wonder what they are doing out there, oh? Huh? Jeremiah leave in here to call Janelle and all know they can't come. Hey, I wonder what if she's arguing and flaring up on him. I hope Jeremiah puts her in her nest, because I know that girl. Jeremiah.
You don't set it up?
Yes, I don't know if this is the way it should, oh. What took you so long out here?
Here, man. So I know you don't find the money.
Find which money? I tell you that the money grow wings and fly, and you're asking me the same thing.
Me tell her, say, we have a family emergency, and she out there going, me even like, boisterous.
So what you do about it when she... Dirty what?
Me can't behave like she on it.
Hey!
If we like, if we say we are follow Christ, you know, or we are going to behave in the same manner like how she a behave.
But this is our house! Yes, and you go to her and she say that she will dirty us up and you say nothing?
But walk away. Because we are going to tolerate them type of talking what she have put towards.
Okay. So you want her to come in your house and rule you?
No, not say come in a house and rule me, but me not go uphold with her talking and follow her up. Walk away.
She be case and come. You know I just want this to
look
over
like she a come because
what you mean?
She still sit down out there.
What the hell you saying to me?
She still sit down out there.
You know what? I can't deal with this. I just can't deal with this.
So honey, me ask you one more time. You sure you don't misplace the money?
I said this is where I put the money.
You sure you don't put it in a
drawer
or something?
Listen to in withdraw.
Because you know what judge her wrongfully, you know.
We're not judging her. Don't you know me? Don't you know me?
Yeah, but
I am a woman that put things in order. Don't you know me like that?
Saying, probably if you are misplaced, see
I don't misplacing. You think I'm going off my brain? I'm not going off my head, oh. I said I leave it there. I leave it there this morning when I spread the bed. So if I was losing my head, would I lose it so fast? That by the time I spread my bed and go outside, the money disappears. I have to be upset because you're pretending as if you're saying that I'm telling lie. We never used to have this problem.
I'm not saying you're telling a lie. I'm just asking you.
I don't misplace anything. Did we used to have this kind of problem?
No.
So why you saying all this? I don't like that, oh. I don't like that.
And the way you should dress on it. Oh.
So how do they ask all they do? Around table talk, one of they have palm in him. One of they chop me name like a bubble gum sofa. Eh? What me dress? How me dress? Me not see nothing wrong with how me dress. I tell my man I have a problem with it. Oh no, love me how me dress. I saw me dress in the village. And everybody love it.
The reason why we call it here, you understand? We have a family emergency, right? We did save some money to give to your mom, and
it's missing. It's missing.
It's missing, right?
We never used to miss anything, oh. Me not take no money. Me not take no money. I must Jeremiah thief your money. You come talk about say me thief money. Eh? You don't come mix me up in nothing. If you not Jeremiah thief, you must you just say you thief your own money and I tell lie for me. Cause from me come here, me know say you don't really want me there, you know. I must say to you thief the money. You don't mix me up in ya.
We're not saying it's you thief the money. We're not saying that. So we come up with a solution. We're gonna try the Bible and key.
Yes!
And see who really thief the money, because I'm sure it's not me. Me not thief the money. You understand?
So how you never try Bible and key for? Me not like anything thing there, you know. I tell me not thief nothing. You don't have to try the Bible and key. Don't put me in, and that don't make me come out here if you come insult me.
I don't know if my wife thief the money, but I know she wouldn't thief our money, our own money. You understand?
I don't like that statement, Jeremiah.
I'm not saying it's you.
Hello, I don't like that statement.
But my wife.
I don't like that statement.
I'm not pointing any finger.
What do you mean you're not pointing? I just don't like that statement.
I'm not pointing any finger.
Go ahead and talk out. Shut up your mouth and say what you're saying.
I'm not saying.
I don't like that statement.
What I am trying to say, right? I don't thief the money. And I don't know if my wife thief the money. and I don't know
you still come back.
if it.
You still come back with that statement. You don't know if your wife steal the money. Can I steal my own money in my own house?
All right.
It seems like you're losing your brain as well. You're saying that you don't know if your wife steal her own money.
I'm sorry, honey.
No, you're not sorry. Shut up. You say the same thing over and over. You say the same thing 2 times. I'm asking you, Jeremiah, a question. We used to lose anything in this house?
No, honey.
It since Janelle come here, we start to lose things. You come and tell me, I don't know if my wife thief the money. Respect yourself. Respect yourself, oh. You hear me?
I'm very sorry.
You're not sorry, oh. Respect yourself, Jeremiah. You hear what I'm saying? You come and talk about I don't know if my wife thief the money. But yet still you paint a pretty picture on yourself, but I don't thief the money, but I don't know if my wife. If somebody hear you say that wouldn't sound good, look good on your wife.
I'm very sorry.
You're not sorry, oh. Go ahead and talk, oh. Look at your face.
So what I'm saying, Janelle, we're gonna try the Bible and key and see who really thief the money. Right? So I'm gonna go ahead and see who really thief the money today, so we can get to the bottom of this. Right? Okay.
Yes, man. We will know today who is the criminal in this house.
By St. Peter, by St. Paul, is Jeremiah thief the money? By St. Peter, by St. Paul, is Josiah thief the money? By St. Peter, by St. Paul, is Janelle thief the money?
Hey! Hey, whoa! Hey! You see? Now you're talking about you don't know if your wife thief the money. You
Janelle.
See that girl is a criminal! Huh?
Janelle, where is the money, Janelle?
Find my mother money. Oh, no, bring me in. You think me not see what I do? You think me not see what I do? You no try trick me. You see you spin the key and make the Bible turn for me. You think me not so no? You don't play with me name, you know. With no Bible and key, you know. You know say you know how wicked. You see how you Jeremiah. You know say you got like you can't match hands. And you are the one that come up with it, you know. You no top tail lie for me, man. You no top tail lie for me.
But the Bible cannot lie. The Bible says it's you thief the money.
You're the one that thief the
And
money.
we're gonna need the money.
Me nah go no money. Where me fi get the money from? You know sister who no turn the key for me. Everybody can sister who no turn the key for me.
What? You have to give us the money today. You're not leaving this house until you give us the money today.
Me dey come gone me room me now. Me dey come gone me room me now. Because me no want me don't do no opinion you know. Me sister who no test me faith you know. And you Josiah, you don't even know who your sister you know. Eh? Who know the contract about if me a Christian? Yes, me a Christian. So what? Me fi come turn them Christian who no walk up on. Eh? Listen to me, me come down me room cause me no want done the 2 hours in here you know. You hear what me have to say? Oh. Hey!
She have real up on her
She
door.
have to leave this house today.
She
And
have
she
to
have to
give us the money.
Whatever she thief in this house, she have to give it to us before she leave.
Honey, it's your sister, so it's best if you go and search her room or something.
Why should I go and search her room?
I'm
You are
not
the man
going to
in this
search her
house.
house.
You are the man in
Honey,
this house.
listen me.
Hey.
I'm not getting into family matter.
What you
I
mean
do
you're not
my
getting
best
into-
here, honey. So it's go and find the money, please.
You see you. You see you. You see you. You let me feel so bad this morning. Today. You know you let me feel bad. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Huh? You're looking at me with your big
Honey,
guy.
I'm not going to end the argument with you this morning.
I don't care what you want to say. I'm looking at you and you. I'll deal with you later.
Boy, one piece of problem. When the devil let loose, me I tell you, and I'm not normal, you know. And I'm not normal. Look how they are good. And just like bring our sister come here and turn the whole place upside down. Eh? You can't bother with them things, you know. Them things just stress me out, man.
True woman a step up, not no love is that. Be your friends with the love is sit and check on my cash. When the black Benz pull up, not for purpose to crash. So me stay far and pre them as I at the top.
Everywhere you turn, nowadays you just a see me. The TV, the radio station, them a feel me. From your own, me my own. When you see me, just give me sufferation, poverty. Me beat the game, the race, me win it. Money just a rotate like sashing, caca chili. Many try to take me out, you know them youth are silly. Every day me fly out, now the jet them ting lily. When me a stop pile, them a try stop Billy.
True man, I step up, no love is the that. For your friends who the love is sit and check on my cash. When the black Benz pull up, no for purpose to crash. So me stay far and pre them as I as the top. True man, I step up, no love is the that. For your friends who the love is sit and check on my cash. When the black Benz pull up, no for purpose to crash. So me stay far and pre them as I as the top.
True me by the black Benz, now I just screw face. Them no remember when me used to link you no feet toothpaste. First page.